Hi, I'm Matt with Ballast Tools Equipment. Today we're going to be reviewing the operations of our Backhoe tube Talon attachment. Position the Backhoe over the ties to be changed and lower the outriggers. Lower the tube Talon so that the rail hook plates are completely over the rails. Close the jaws and begin to extend the arm to remove the tie from under the rails. After the tie is removed, close the jaw on the tie head and scrape out the crib to provide a little more room to install the new tie. Grab a new tie and use the tilt to angle the tie up and get it stabbed in under the first rail. Once it is sufficiently under the first rail, position the rail hook plates over the rails. Close the jaws and retract the arm and insert a new tie under both rails. Thanks for watching, and for more information, please check out our website. And as always, be safe out there.